Hi, Alexandra. Are security cameras enough protection?
It's a great question. I think it really depends on how you define protection. By the way, I'm Alexandra, Vice President at Alarm New England. This is Luca the office dog. He's 14 weeks old and he's very serious about security, as you can tell. He's a very aggressive gentleman. So if you don't have a Luca to protect your house, then you might want to consider some type of security solution. And from my perspective, I do think that just having cameras falls short for a couple of reasons. One, if you get a notification when you're at home in bed with your family that there's somebody coming up to your house on your cell phone and nobody's going to call the police, what are you going to do? Go down there and go do battle with that individual? The second reason you could sort of find yourself in an unsecure situation if all you have is cameras is if you're out of the country or you're traveling or you're in a meeting, you're not staring at your phone, you might get a notification that somebody's coming up to your house, but you will not be able, you won't know. It won't come through to your cell phone, and so now you've had an event and all you have is footage after the fact. So I personally think that security cameras are a really nice addition to a professionally monitored security system. So you kind of have that twofold security where somebody's calling the cops because somebody tried to break in the house and you have a security system, but then you also have video footage. There's also, I will say, all these cool lifestyle elements that come along with security cameras. You can see your kid coming home from school. You can see the UPS driver at your house and tell them not to leave a package. So there's all this cool stuff that you can do with security cameras, but as a standalone security solution, I think it's lacking a little bit.